So what are the financial benefits? What would you say are the financial benefits to your customers? What you're, are you saving them money out of their capital account or their revenue account? Because sometimes, of course, the people who are involved in the revenue account don't really care what the capital account is. So how do you get it so that those silos are talking to each other, and the left hand is cooperating with the right hand, and everybody's moving along? How do you make the financial case? What is the financial case?
Well, the financial case is very simple. Repair compared to buying new, we're talking less than 10% of that cost.
Okay.
Right. So including labor, including parts. Not only that is the time. So sometimes it's just you may have the capital to buy new, but you don't have the time to wait for the new to arrive, especially considering what's going on in the world today with the pandemic and chip shortage, for instance, and all the different supply chain issues. So we have been getting loads of inquiries over the last maybe 3-4 months of companies that said, look, we didn't want to repair, we wanted just to replace. However, replacements are just not available for live notice for a lot of systems here. So we're going to have to start repairing now. We're going to have to start and developing, those abilities to repair. So you may have the money, but you don't have the time. And then, when you invest in developing those capabilities, not only you saving 90% of the cost, but troubleshooting and repair of an electronic circuit board can be done in a matter of hours.
Right.
If not, in some cases, just a matter of minutes. So it's really appealing in that sense. And another important point is emissions. So when you buy new, so repair compared to buying new, you are slashing 85% of the emissions that will go into sourcing raw materials and important minerals and turning them into semiconductor components and into PCBs, and then obviously shipping all of that across the world. So repair against buying brand new, you are also reducing emissions by 85%. So I think we're seeing more and more financial directors and people actually controlling the money, becoming a bit more aware to the benefits of investing that repair and maintenance process.
Yes, I can see it bringing a smile to most flinty-hearted financial director with those kind of numbers. And of course, you can also save time on installation and on training if you're continuing to use something that is already familiar, that your people are quite happy with and are used to working with. So there's a significant time saving.